coming into the little town of Furtwangen.
Go right on the
Alan
roundabout.
has actually taken a detour.
It's not a detour, it's a scenic route.
Okay. Alan's taken the scenic route and detoured so that he can come to Furtwangen. Because he just thought the name was hilarious.
Well, we have wet wang in England and everybody laughs at that. So Furtwangen is even funnier.
It is. It's bigger than I thought it would be. A lot of high-rise blocks, I don't know. But also all the little alpine houses.
Got a river.
Got a river, yeah. And lots of cows everywhere. And
Not here at the moment.
No, not in the town. But there's a little ski lift up the road as well. So you can imagine what people get up to here in the winter.
Furtwangen.
Skiing, you bloody fool.
Here we are in Triberg, home of the cuckoo clock. There's lots of stuff. Right, we're at Triberg.
The home of the cuckoo clock.
It certainly is. We've been here before, quite a long time ago.
And it was warm.
Was it? Yeah, it's nice. It's home of the Germany's highest waterfall, which we might, if we've got time, go and have a look for, walk the dog. But we're hopefully going to get some of the famous Black Forest gateaux. If we can find somewhere that will serve it outside. Might even have a wander into a cuckoo shop to see if we can find a cheap cuckoo clock for Brian. What a long face. Maybe there's a little bit more than Easter Island here. Well, our tour of Triberg continues. The dog's sitting there because every time we walk past all this lot, she tries to grab a squirrel or a monkey. But this is what it's all about. Cuckoo clocks, and stuff, and making stuff up. And fine wood carving. But there you go, that's what it is. It's like everywhere else. Some good stuff, some tat. But they do have some very expensive clocks in there. I think the last time we went in there, they priced from £100 up to several thousand, depending on the quality of the workmanship and the mechanism. Just walking up towards the waterfall.
Yay, you've got a new battery.
Yes, we've just been back to get a new battery. And we're just looking at the many things that are here. Very nice.
Look at all the lovely autumn leaves. We're just coming up to a bit of a hairpin bend, which actually on the sat nav looks like a heart shape. So we're not exactly sure what's going to happen.
It's going to be very tight.
Very, very, very tight. So here we go. Oh. It might not be as dramatic as we imagine, actually. I don't know.
I don't know. It's a fairly substantial hairpin.
It is.
Bit of a car parking.
It
as
is.
well.
I imagine it's made like this for when it's snowy. Well, it's made like it for all the time. They don't put different roads out in the summer, but there you go. Not quite as dramatic as I'd imagined.
There's a little river there. That's why
Yeah.
the road is
Yeah,
restricted.
yeah. Just on there.
Well, we've just arrived at our designated parking spot. Our Rimor Mobile Stellplatz, according to the sign. It's got a custom service point for clearing and emptying and doing everything else that you need. Strange, there's a bench right by where people flush their waste away. But yeah, lovely little park. We're next to a water park that during the summer you can pay £1.77 and go and use the water park for all day. It's very nice. We're in the village of Dorf, which is just down the road from Oberprechtal, which we thought it was in and then couldn't find it on Google Maps yesterday. But yeah, it's very nice. Welcome.
Hoping to stay for a couple of days, aren't we?
Yeah, I'm going to stay for a couple of days. It seems they've got everything up here. I'm hoping that there's a toilet as well. We will see. Must be the main little square. Got a little performance area. Got your park, swimming pool. I don't want to film too much because I believe this is the school and the tourist information, so I'm going to turn the camera away from the school, this being Germany and they don't like cameras altogether.
Alan's very excited.
Yeah, we seem to have found the old blacksmiths. I'm hoping a Hammerschmied is what that is, but it's a big water wheel, there's a run off, and then there's this, and it says I can put €1 in it. The dog is more interested in bobbing for apples in there, but I'm going to put it in. Either it's the biggest con in the world.
It's going to be the most...
Oh.
Ooh!
No, it's not. Oh, it's going to do the tilt hammer. There you go. The wheel's going around at full speed now.
Amazing!
And that's how you'd hammer things, with a tilt hammer. I remember there was a pub in Saltley called the Tilt Hammer. And I didn't know what it meant, so I once looked it up and found out what a tilt hammer was. Gonna put my finger under it.
Put some under it if you want.
Knacker schnacker. Yeah, look at that, it's right going for it now. Oh wow, that was, well, definitely worth €1. Definitely worth €1. Imagine that going round at full tilt. A lot of power going in. Big heavy hammer. All that water being diverted off. You can see the big wheel down there. Well, we're part of the way up on our little nature walk. Not seen anybody. Dog's looking very concerned. She can see things, and it's a little hut with a water fountain or trough. and she's a bit concerned because she can see it moving. But yeah,
It's been a steep climb.
it has been a very steep climb. Yeah, don't know how high we've gone so far, but onwards and upwards. So we press on. Well, we're continuing our journey upwards and upwards by the little broken path. Dog's okay. I think we're starting to struggle a little bit.
It's so steep.
Yeah, we've gone from 450 metres. We're climbing up to 870, but it's done in a very short distance. This isn't zigzagging, this is going straight up. But it's wonderful, little bits of mist lurking in the trees.
As long as there's no bears lurking in the trees.
No bears. Well, let's see you at the top. Well, we've made it 870 metres up to Oberprechtal Kapelfassel. It's actually 862 according to this. And it's, look, you've got a nice view.
Panorama.
Yeah, of all the mountains and the hills that you can
Bird.
see. Apart from today.
He's walked me nearly 2 hours up steep tracks. I feel like I've just done an aerobics class. I know I look like a bag of shite, and this is it. Oh,
Yeah.
you can look.
Oh.
Look, you can see through the trees.
I can't see nothing.
You can. There's a little house. Quickly before it goes.
It's nothing.
Oh, it's
So here we are. The brave adventurers have made it off the mountain, all the way up there.
all the way up there.
So from the village at about 400 metres up to 860, back down again over difficult and terrible terrain. It's just starting to drizzle because we're, well, that's what it does here. But we're just going to follow the river now.
I'm going back for a nice Lefroy.
Yeah, we're going to go and get in the van, put the heating on, have a shower and dig into some nice Belgian beer. Because, well, let's face it, there's nothing round here. Apologise for the noise of the river, but for people who have been concerned about Germany going into lockdown, I know this video won't be posted for 7 weeks since we're home, but we've been out for about 4 hours.
Yeah.
We've not seen a soul, nobody.
That's how we roll.
And that's how it's been for several weeks. We're just enjoying our own company with a dog, staying away from the busy hotspots.
That's me murdering you.
Okay. But yeah, just staying nice and safe, but just enjoying the countryside as it's delivered to us. And it's been good, and it's been safe, and that's what's important. I think as this is going to be me getting on my soapbox here. If this
speak up then.
If this continues, I think this is just the way the world's going to be. You know, we've just got to be careful, but still enjoy the time. Oh, don't let the dogs see. There's some chickens over there.
Yeah.
And you know what? I've missed doing my wishing well joke, but I've not seen one. But
Well,
one day we'll do one to camera. Anyway, I'm going to get off because I'm getting boring now. And we're going to follow the path and maybe just do the last bit as we hit the van.